everyone. We have the truck.
We have the truck. It's moving day.
Yeah.
We're here at our new home now. We were driving and Judah took a nap in the car.
I want to see what this is.
Alright, you can have a look what's inside. So, boxes and bags are... That's okay, let me help. This is for baking. And then that one's for like dicing things. Yeah. Should we close this up now?
Whoa!
Good morning. This is our second day here in the home. I realized that I got footage up to like when we just were moving things in. And yeah, we basically were shifting things around. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. I think I was just like, oh, let me just get things done. But I will show you the updates of some stuff. And we also went for dinner, and by the time we got home we're like, you know what, we're super tired, let's just have a shower and then get our sheets ready for our bed, and then we're just gonna go and sleep. But here, let me show you around. So we have our console table here that we've put in this little section. Hi Judah. And then we have our fake plant here. I think this is nice in this spot. And we placed our couch, so our couch is going to be in this little L-shaped section. TV, we're going to mount it up, but we just need a smaller screwdriver, so we will do that eventually. Then our Sonos will go on top of there, which we can clear out a lot of bench space. These are just empty boxes that we have emptied already that need to break down. I think essentially it's pretty great because then we've got like this amount of space in this hallway here, which then potentially if I put like a little bench with extra storage as like for people to put shoes on. And our shoe cabinet is now here as well. So this console table is like our shoe cabinet. Maybe we'll put some like our old photo frames from our old house here in this little section. What else have we set up? So there's still more boxes, but we're chiseling away, so that's good. Oh yeah, okay, so you see that one? We put our IKEA plant there, which is nice. Hi, Judah. And then I'm thinking of putting... Oh yeah, Dada's over there working our pantry. Obviously just like clearing things and putting things away, but we'll organize it a bit better once we kind of like get the majority of it all done. Keyboard, I think I'm gonna pop it here. Initially, I think I said in the video that I was gonna put the desk here, which can also be an option, but I was like, okay, maybe I'll put the keyboard here and then put this plant on that corner there. But we can always work around that, so that's fine. Oh, our fridge as well has come. Our fridge is here. So we bought a new fridge because our old fridge... Alright, well Judah's gonna eat breakfast now because we all kind of just woke up not too long ago. We're having, what are we having? Brioche chocolate chip rolls. Yummy? Okay, and then once we have a dining table, we'll have it here. You want to sit on your little camping chair, your relaxing chair, and eat? Yeah, and then the dining table will be here. We do have church soon, so we're gonna get ready in a moment. But yeah, our new fridge came because it didn't fit the other one, and so it's a little freezer up top, and then, oops, fridge at the bottom. And I think it'd be really cute because then now Judah can just like grab his snacks and his yogurt and stuff on his own and train him up to do that.
You can't do it.
Like a big boy. Yeah, you can't do the big one. Oh, the top one. Because that's where it'll have like ice cream and stuff. So that's good that you can't reach it.
Can reach this side.
Yeah, you can. And that high. Alright. Let's close it up.
That.
Yeah. Initially we were thinking of putting the microwave here, but then it is a bit high up just on a daily basis. So maybe we'll do like a top storage kind of shelving thing. And then we put our vacuum here for now. And our washing machine is in. We just have to like install it and pop it in. But other than that, there's that. I'll show you guys the bedroom. So far we slept here. So this will actually be Judah's room, but we slept here last night just because we have an automated gas lift bed, which I'll show you. So all the parts are like in here, and of course everything else as well. So bed head, all the parts with the wires, bedside table. Okay. Yeah, and then Julie's bed sheet. Yes.
This over there is so squishy.
Yeah, it is a bit squishy. It's a bit cold in here though because the aircon's on the outside. Yeah, we put all our suitcases in here just so it's out of the way, so we had some space for the bed.
One there.
Yeah, and there's another aircon there. AJ's gonna build the bed here, and so if we put the mattress here, that means, you know, it's quite of a hassle to try and move things around. Yeah, so essentially this will be Judah's room. That's his bed frame, part of the bed frame. And then we will eventually move this to the other room once we get it sorted. And yeah, and then that's a baby change table, part of it. And we'll see how we go. Nice. It's a bit warm in here. Yeah, it is warm in here. Yeah, Judah set up his little basketball thing already. He was showing us his moves and his tricks. He's getting energy from his breakfast, so he can do more of that. So we love the space and it's coming together, and we can't wait to just continue to like add things and unbox things. Hello. But yeah, it's so pretty. It is a basketball here. That's cool. Oh, nice. Hey, how about you sit down and eat? Okay. That is update for day 2 so far, and then we'll let you know what else happens afterwards. Not on my hair.